itanong ko sa iyo, RD, anong pumasok sa isip mo
Mhm.
nung brief time na
Mhm.
ang event natin ngayon is about new changes and direction?
And what first came to my mind immediately was what Peter Drucker said.
At sino naman si Peter Drucker?
Si Peter, yung kilala si Mang Peter.
Hindi, si Mang Peter. Mang Peter, yun ang tititignan sa kanto. Hindi.
Hindi siya
Si
yun.
Mang Peter, sorry
Ito
Okay,
yan.
go.
Si Peter Drucker, they call him the man who invented management. He's an author, thought leader. He passed away, but his teachings are still alive right now.
Sasabihin ko, sorry si Manong Peter, kaya lang namatay na pala siya. Okay,
No,
go.
he's mentored thousands of CEOs
All right.
and students as a professor of management. Here are some of the books on change and the future
Mhm.
that he wrote and some familiar quotes baka that we can use.
Parang importanteng tao siya. Sige nga, tingnan natin yung mga libro niya.
Ito. Meron siyang Managing in Turbulent Times. And in this book, he said, change is the norm. Unless an organization sees that its task is to lead change, that organization will not survive.
Ay, oo nga.
Hmm.
Kasi syempre, we need to keep up, di
Of
ba?
course, of course. Ito, meron pang isa.
Oh.
Managing in a time of great change.
Oh.
Okay? Sabi niya, one cannot manage change. One can only be ahead of it.
So, kailangan forward thinking tayo.
Oo. Kasi yung bukas magiging ngayon.
Tama.
So, meron pang isa.
Okay.
Marami siyang sinulat libro, pero one more.
Oh.
In Managing for the Future. Ano sabi niya?
The best way to predict the future is to create it.
Wow.
Yan.
Yeah. So, it's wonderful. Anyway, this is the quote that I remembered. Sabi ni Peter Drucker, ito, in a few hundred years, when the history of our time will be written from a long-term perspective, I think it is very probable that the most important event these historians will see is not technology, it's not the internet, it's not e-commerce.
What is it?
It is an unprecedented change in the human condition.
An unprecedented change in the human.
Ask me what that change is.
Anong change yun?
Ito yun. Magugulat ka. Sabi niya, for the first time, substantial and rapidly growing numbers of people have choices.
Choices. Oo nga, ang daming choices.
Ang dami, di ba? Oo. So, yun nga. So, and for the first time, people will have to manage themselves.
So choices whether to eat healthy or to eat junk food.
And in careers, in their lives, life choices, ang daming choices.
To follow or not to follow.
And unfortunately, sabi ni Peter Drucker, he ends it with this. We are totally unprepared for it. We are totally unprepared for leading ourselves and making those choices.
Oh no! Tingin nga ulit yung quote niya, yung sinabi niya.
Ito. Gusto nila i-screenshot to.
Okay. In a few hundred years, when the history of our time will be written from a long-term perspective, I think that the most important event these historians will see is not technology, it's not the internet, it's not e-commerce, it's an unprecedented change in the human condition. For the first time, rapidly growing numbers of people have choices. For the first time, they will have to manage themselves. Unfortunately, we are totally unprepared for it.
Yes.
Naisip niya yon decades ago, bago pa siya mamatay.
Yeah.
Parang
1990s pa sinasabi niya na yun.
Wow!
Bago pa lang internet nun.
Nako!
Yeah.
So, it's really good, di ba, that in this season of our life, di ba, in this time in history, we have so many choices.
Yeah, that's good news.
It's good news.
It's a good problem.
It's a good problem.
So it's good news that we have so many choices that we can actually personalize our future. Sabi ni Peter Drucker, to predict the future, we should create it. But the downside is, or the bad news is that many of us are unprepared on how to manage or decide which choices and changes to embrace and accept.